How to wash hair bundle properly. Step 1. Apply hair shampoo. Put the whole hair bundle into the warm water, suggest 60 decicoulombs. Apply hair shampoo, and wash hair gently. Do not rub hard. Rinse the hair with water to remove all hair shampoo. Shiny hair in the wet, clean hair. No shedding, no tangle. Step 2. Apply hair conditioner. Apply hair conditioner and wait seconds to absorb into hair bundle. Hair still shiny, silky in the water. Can use a wide toothbrush to comb correctly. No tangle, no shedding, luster hair. Rinse it with clean water to remove all hair conditioner. Step 3. Dry hair. Use a cotton towel to gently blot excess water from the hair. Do not use any comb. Do not rub or comb the hair immediately after washing. Hang your hair in a well-lit area and let it dry naturally. Option 1. Blow hair to dry about 70% with a hairdryer, then let it dry naturally. Option 2. When hair is 80 to 90% dry, apply hair serum, hair oil to moisture nutrition for hair, then use a wide tooth comb to gently brush it properly. Comb properly. Comb the ends of your hair first, then comb the middle part down to the end. Finally, comb hair from top to end in a certain direction. Spray the hair. You need to spray the whole bundles, and focus on the bottom, to control frizz and provide moisture for hair, and smooth the hair. Warning: please treat hair extensions as your own hair. In order to keep beautiful, healthy hair, take care of hair extensions in proper ways. Thank you for your watching Thanh An Hair channel. Please like, comment, subscribe for more attractive videos. Say goodbye and see you next video.